In question 11, we have to factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. So we can write this as 3x whole cube, which is 27x cube, plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz can be written as 3 times 3x times y times z. So if you look at this form, it is of the form a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is what is the form of this expression, and this can be factorized as a plus b plus c times a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So this is the standard identity that we're going to use to solve this problem. So in this case, we have a is 3x, b is y, and c is z. So we will have this expression factored as 3x plus y plus z times a square, so that's 9x square, plus b square is y square, c square is z square, minus ab. So what is ab? So ab will be 3x times y, so minus 3xy, then minus bc, and bc will be yz, so minus yz, minus ca, so minus 3xz. So this is the factored form of this expression.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.